The students, now let me solve the next question. Okay, and here the question is, suppose the block of the previous problem is pushed down the inclined plane with a force of 4 Newton. How far will the block move in the first 2 seconds after starting from rest? The mass of the block is 4 kg. So here extra force 4 Newton is given. Okay, so in this case we cannot directly write down the acceleration along inclined plane, because here extra force 4 Newton is arrived here. So we have to solve the problem from the very beginning. Okay, from the beginning we have to solve this problem from the beginning, because there is no ready-made formula for this case. Okay, so what are the forces acting? We have seen earlier that along this direction there is mg sin theta. So along this direction we have the kinetic frictional force. Along this direction we have mg cos theta. Okay, and along this direction we have n. We have discussed this thing earlier. Okay, so along this direction this is the acceleration, but here what is given? Extra force is given along this side, there is 4 Newton. Okay, down the inclined plane extra force is given. So along this direction, if you talk about Newton's second law, that will be summation fx is equal to max. And what is summation fx? Summation fx is mg sin theta, is mg sin theta minus plus 4, of course plus 4, minus fk is equal to ma. And fk is what? Fk is equal to mu k into n, and n is mg cos theta, so mu mg cos theta. So it will be mu mg cos theta, fk will be. So let me put it here. So mg sin theta plus 4 minus mu mg cos theta is equal to ma. So if you make calculation, you will get a from here. So if you have to put m is equal to 4 kg, theta is given in the previous problem, that is 30 degree, and so if we put m and theta and g, we know 10 meter per second square, we can put it this. So from this calculation, from this equation, we will get a is equal to approximately 5 meter per second square. You will get this. So please do the calculation. I am not going to the calculation. So how far will the block move in the first 2 seconds? First 2 seconds. So now you have to again put s is equal to half at square. Okay, so t will be what? 2. So it will be half a into 4. So s is equal to 2a. So if you put this value here, a, say 5 into 2, it will be